This generator uses gasoline. And it's noisy. Look, I don't even got any gasoline left. Therefore, I can't get online. Now my solar panels are up there. That's 340 watts of panels. Less than most vans have. Why aren't I using those solar panels? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because the batteries are bad. The solar batteries failed. I bought them at a store that probably wasn't the best to buy at, even though they're not car batteries. They're deep cycle marine gel cell batteries or whatever. They're all sealed. They theoretically don't need any maintenance. But after using them for not a long enough time, because normally I can get, 6 years out of batteries. They're made for 4, but I can get 6. And let's see if we can look up here. I don't like going up ladders at all. Anybody who knows me knows why I don't like going up ladders. But I don't have a choice. And I got to show you this system. In fact, I think I have to bring the damn camera. Fuck, I do. Alright, here we go. So the panels are up there. Those are like 20 years old. So there is an age limit on solar panels. These are reaching the upper limit of that, but I might as well just replace them all. My goal is to get people here, and if I'm going to host people again, then I'm going to have to fix a few things. Not a lot, hopefully, because anybody I invite here has got to be pretty tough. But people actually need electricity. I need electricity. I need electricity to upload this video. Hopefully I can do it before my generator runs out of power. Actually, I've got more gasoline in the van. I went to town. Holy shit. Fuck. God damn it. Fuck! Hi, rat. This is not your house in here, fucker. So the rats have made nests in here. You see that rat? That's not good. It smells bad in here too. Alright, so this all has to get sealed and shit. This is ridiculous. Anyway, I've got this awesome inverter here. It's a Xantrex DR series inverter charger. And maybe the reason the batteries went bad was because, is this possible? I don't think that should be it. This is set on, is that set wrong? I don't know. There's a setting for battery type selector. Maybe that was set wrong. That is possible. It says deep cycle lead acid is what it's supposed to be. That's not what it's set on right now. It's set on AGM gel cell, which might be what I have. I don't know. And I have the book inside. We'll take a look. Anyway, the power comes in through here, through the 12-volt batteries. It goes through this. Here's my circuits that go out. It goes down to these batteries down here. And this is the part that failed. And, I'm an expert at living on solar power. I'm not an expert at installing it. So, if I turn this on, then this one's leaking, this one's leaking, this one swelled up. It swelled up, and it was going to catch on fire. I'm pretty sure it was going to explode or catch on fire. Now, this is a Duralast 27 MDC-DL. And there's some other numbers on there. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, there's 4 of them. And what I want to do is, since this is a 1500 watt inverter, I want to get 1500 watts of panels, or slightly more, but enough. because currently I'm used to living on very little electricity, but you know, I have like buried cables to go 200 meters away. So it's really a very impressive system that has worked great for years. You know, I swapped out the batteries in the last 20 years, I think, twice, but so I don't know what kind of batteries to put in there that actually are correct. And I guess I need to know the right setting on the inverter to match that. And if I had the right amount of panels, I will have 5 times more electricity than I have now. And that will allow me to invite people here again, along with some cleanup and fixes on housing, perhaps with some road improvements. Although that's better than it's ever been, but it's still worse than any road that most people have gone on. So, if you have any advice, I'm open to it. Don't give me dumbass advice. I get plenty of that. I kind of get tired of it, actually. So, good advice only. Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, wait, I was going to show you the charge controller inside. It's a Xantrex C40 charge controller. Let's go take a look at that. God, my whole life's a big mess. But I'm trying to dig out of it. And getting my solar power fixed up would do it. Or be a big part of it. There it is, right there. C140 Xantrex charge load controller. Covered in cobwebs. Arrgh.